How to use the law of attraction for love. Once you have woken up to the infinite possibilities of the law of attraction and applied them to your love life, your lackluster love life could take a miraculous turn for the better. 1. Use daily manifestation techniques for love. The first thing to do when you feel that there is room for more love in your life is to fill your thoughts and actions with nothing but absolute love. By flooding your mind with feelings of positivity and love for yourself and those around you, your ability to love and be loved back can shine through to others. Here are some visualization exercises for love that you can consider too. 2. Be grateful. Gratitude is another crucial aspect within the law of attraction, which can be key in helping to unlock the abundance of love that is waiting to bring glorious color into your world. Being grateful for all of the love that you are already blessed with in life, no matter how little this may be, is a sure way of encouraging a greater abundance of love into your life. So, why not try and fill yourself with never-ending gratitude for all of the love in your life? Love from the universe, the love you have for yourself, love for a partner, love for the things you enjoy, love for others. Being thankful for so much love surely can only result in one thing: love and lots more love. In comparison to those who are looking to manifest love, people who are already in a long-term relationship should also try and take the time to gain a fuller understanding of the law of attraction and how it can help them to sustain or even save loving relationships. Again, gratitude can be vital in helping to achieve this. Instead of focusing on the things that aggravate or upset us about our partners, as can happen in any relationship, choosing to concentrate on everything that you are thankful for in your significant other can be a simple but fantastic way in which to help keep the fire of your romance alive. Are you thankful for their support? Their great sense of humor? Their conversation? Clear your mind of any negative emotions and focus solely on all that you are grateful for in your relationship. The love you receive back should be sure to be repaid twice-fold. 3. Take action now and manifest love with the liberating knowledge that you have the power to control every area of your life. Love, like every other part of your life, can be completely turned around for the better. Instead of gazing enviously at the happiness of the loved-up couples around you, decide to take charge of your life and seize for yourself the true love and joy that is rightfully yours. Remember to keep your mind and your heart open to the surrounding universe, and all of the love in the world can be yours to treasure. You can select plan below, http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.